Have you ever seen a video effect so good you thought, how did they do that? What if I told you, you don't need a VFX team. You don't need Hollywood software. You don't even need a green screen. Now you can do mind-blowing effects with generative AI. Generating realistic video like this by just describing in plain text what you want to see was impossible before generative AI. In fact, creating visual effects used to be an incredibly time-intensive process. For example, in the 1993 film Jurassic Park, just 6 minutes of T-Rex CGI, or computer-generated imagery, took 18 months of manual labor by teams of animators and technicians. 18 months! But now we can create incredible video effects by just typing out what we want to see on camera. This gets me really excited. The problem is, not all AI tools are created equal. There are hundreds of AI tools that promise instant YouTube success. But after testing over 200 tools, I can confidently say that most are complete waste of time and money. That's why I've created this cheat sheet for you with a few of the best AI video effects tools for creating stunning content fast. I grew my first YouTube channel from 0 to over 100,000 subscribers in just 4 months, all with the help of AI. And now I want to help you do the same. It's not just about using AI to save time. It's about unlocking a new creative superpower. And Pika Labs is leading the way when it comes to quick video effects. What if I told you that you can create this in just 30 seconds without learning After Effects, Blender, or any complicated software? Yeah, that's not the future. That's today with Pika AI. Pika is an AI video effects platform for quickly creating meme-worthy videos from text descriptions, images, and video clips. Check this out. Want to make your head explode? Done. Here's an idea. Make a quick buck creating simple animations for local schools or businesses. Want to time travel and pose for a selfie with a previous version of yourself? No problem. All of this is now possible thanks to generative AI. Before Gen AI tools like Pika, creating video effects was a painstaking and labor-intensive process that required weeks or months of effort from highly skilled teams. But now you can go to pika.art, upload a couple of keyframes, and watch the magic happen. For this effect, I used a frame from a video of me typing on a laptop inside and a frame from me typing on a laptop outside. After uploading the frames, I used the prompt, background transforms to digital ones and zeros and blows away. You then use this clip as a transition between your two videos. And listen, for the sticklers out there thinking, yeah, Tam, I already know, Pika. Did you know that you could use Pika to do this? I used another AI tool, which we'll talk about later in this video, to create 2 AI images of myself, one close-up and one farther away. Next, I used Pika frames to create a cinematic transition between the 2 images. To generate this effect, use the prompt quick zoom and make sure the transition time is set to 2 seconds. I like to use Pika's scroll stopping memes in the first 3 to 6 seconds of my videos. This way, viewers see the animation during the video preview when they're scrolling on YouTube or Instagram. This is a great way to pull in more views. Pika rolls out new features almost weekly, which is great for creators like us because we can easily add new animations and effects to our toolkit. To quickly see the latest updates from Pika, head to pika.art and log in or create a free account. Once you're logged in, simply select your name from the top right corner of the home screen. From there, click What's New. If you've ever tried adding special effects to your videos, you know it can be a time-sucking, brain-melting, budget-breaking experience. This next AI tool makes creating dynamic transitions and titles quick and easy. I'm talking about RunwayML. Runway is the Swiss Army knife of AI video. You can animate still images, create dynamic transitions, and generate title screens that look way more polished than anything you can create in Canva. Drag, drop, done. Don't get me wrong, I love Canva, but I use Runway to give my videos movement and momentum without ever having to touch Premiere Pro. And guess what? Runway just released Gen 4, their latest and greatest series of AI models for content creation. Gen 4 helps you create amazing visuals for your stories by easily making consistent characters, locations, and objects. And if you've been using AI for a while now, then you know how hard it's been in the past to create consistent characters. But Runway has given us a solution for that. Once you decide how you want your scenes to look and feel, Gen 4 keeps everything looking just right, keeping the same style and mood for every scene. You can even see these elements from different angles and positions, making it simple to build and improve your story with ease. Let me show you a simple AI workflow. Let's say I need to animate a static image. I'd go to runwayml.com, then click Get Started in the top right of the screen. If you've never used Runway before, then you'll need to create a free account. Next, select Generate Video from the options on the home screen. From here, we'll add our image, crop to the aspect ratio that we'll use for our final video, and then give Runway a simple prompt for what we want to happen in that video. You can also set start and end frames for more accurate animations. And now for my favorite combo, Krea plus RunwayML. This part feels like magic because we're combining two AI tools to create a super productive AI workflow. In Krea, you can train a model on your own face. Just upload 15 to 20 selfies, different angles, lighting, outfits, and Krea learns your look. Then you can prompt Krea to create images of you in literally any scene. You as a space explorer, you giving a TED talk, you as a lion tamer. We are really only limited by our imagination. And here's where it gets wild. Drop those images into RunwayML, and it will animate them for you instantly. This means you can now create custom B-roll of yourself. No more stock footage, no more awkward camera setups, just you wherever you want to be. It's not perfect yet, but it's fantastic compared to the options before this. If you're subscribed to this channel, you know that I always include pro tips at the end of my videos. So here's one I wish I had known when starting out using these video effects tools. When you're writing prompts for Pika, Runway, or Krea, use this format: subject plus scene plus style or lighting. For example, a neon cat dancing in Tokyo, cinematic style. Boom, dynamite results every time. Before we recap, let me drop a few honorable mentions or bonus tools that are pushing the edge of AI video right now. There's Hedra AI, which creates AI avatars that can lip sync perfectly and deliver video scripts in your voice and face. Viggle is amazing for turning static characters into animated ones by attaching them to real motion data. Think your 2D character doing TikTok dances. It actually makes me a really good dancer. And then there's Wonder Dynamics. Easily create live action CGI in 2 clicks with this AI tool. Let me know if you want me to do deep dives on those to take you step by step how to do it. Okay, to recap, here's your AI cheat code, a simple 3-tool stack to add stunning AI special effects to your videos. First up, we have Pika Labs for creating quick animations, memes, or effects. Number 2 is RunwayML, and the ability to easily generate titles and transitions with dynamic motion. And finally, Krea for consistent characters. Each of these tools has a different strength, but when you stack them together, this isn't about fancy visuals, it's about access. With these tools, anyone, student, solopreneur, teacher, parent, can turn ideas into content. And the future is all about content. And the greatest part, you don't need a team, you don't need a budget, just imagination and a little AI. I can't wait to see what you create.